Dear students, welcome back to the online classes. In the previous video, we have learnt an important concept, rationalizing the denominator. What is rationalization? It is a method of converting irrational form to rational form. Then we have solved few problems based on the concept of rationalizing the denominator. Now in this video we learn another important concept, that is laws of exponents for real numbers. Today we learn laws of exponents for real numbers. Then we'll solve few examples based on this concept. Students, in the previous classes we have learned laws of exponents. That is, the first law what we have learnt is a to the power into a to the power m can be written as what? A to the power m plus n. The first law of exponent is a to the power m into a to the power n can be written as a to the power m plus n. That is, a is the base, m is the power, a is the base, n is the power. That is, if the bases are same, then we can add the powers. This is the first law of exponents. Example, 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 to the power 5 plus 3. That is, when the bases are same, you can add the powers. Therefore, 2 to the power 5 plus 3 is 8. This is the first law of exponent. The second law of exponent is a to the power m whole power n. A to the power m whole power n can be written as a to the power m into n. A power m whole power n can be written as a to the power m into n. That is 2 power 3 whole power what? 2. Example, now it can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 2. That can be written as 2 power 3 2s are 6. This is the second law of exponent. Now moving to third law of exponent. A power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n can be written as a to the power m minus n when the bases are same. A power m divided by a power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. Example, 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 2 can be written as 2 power 6 minus 2. 2 power 6 minus 2, which is nothing but 2 to the power 4. This is an example for third law of exponent. Now the fourth law of exponent is a power m then b power m. If you observe here, the bases are different, but the powers are same. So I can write it as a into b whole power m. A power m, b power m can be written as ab whole power m. That is 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. The bases are different but the powers are same. I can write it as 2 into 5 whole power I will write same. That is 2 5s are 10, 10 to the power 3. This is the fourth law of exponent. A small recap of laws of exponent. That is, the first law, a power n can be written as a to the power m plus n. Second law, a power m whole power n can be written as a to the power m into n. The third law of exponent, a power m divided by a power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. The fourth law of exponent, a power m b power n can be written as a into b whole power m. These are the 4 laws of exponent. Using these laws, we'll solve few exercise questions. Before solving the example sums, now we'll see an important condition. What is a to the power 0 or anything to the power 0? A to the power 0 is always 1. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. Example, 10 to the power 0 is 1. M to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. This is an important condition. We should know. Then, the another important condition, 1 divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power minus n. 1 divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power minus n. We'll solve the exercise. Express the following numbers in the form of exponents. First question, 30. I should express 30 in the form of exponents. The first step is factorize it. That is, the number which I can divide 30 is start from 2. 2 ones are, then 2 5s are, 2 15s are 30. Then now I cannot divide 15 by 2. The next number after 2 is 3. Now divide 15 by 3. Yes, it is possible. Now 3 5s are 15. Now I can write 30 as what? 2 into 3 into 5. Now I converted 30 in the form of exponent, that is 2 to the power 1, 3 power 1 and 5 to the power 1. Second question, 32. Now start with the number 2. 2 1s are, then 2 6s are 12. Now 2 8s are 16. Again 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now I can write 32 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is nothing but 2 to the power 5. I have expressed 32 in the form of exponents. The base is 2, power or exponent is 5. I have expressed 32 in the form of exponent, that is the base equals to power equals 5. Now these are the few questions for your practice. Express the following numbers in the form of exponent. The first question is 64 second question 125, third question 624, and the fourth question 180. Express these numbers in the form of exponents. Moving to the next main, find the value of 64 to the power 1 divided by 2. What is the base? The base is 64. What is the power? The power is 1 divided by 2. Now I should find the value of 64 to the power 1 by 2. Now I'll express 64 as a form of exponents. Now what you should do? You should factorize. That is 64. Start with the number 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now I can write 64 as what? 2 times 2, again 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore I can write 64 as 2 to the power 6. I can write 64 as 2 to the power 6. Now I'll solve this. 64 to the power 1 divided by 2. Now I can write 64 as 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 whole power 1 divided by 2. Now using second law of exponent, that is a power m whole power n can be written as a power m n. Now write 2 to the power 6 into 1 divided by 2. 2 to the power 6 into 1 divided by 2. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. What we get is 2 to the power 3. 3 1s are 3. Then 3 divided by 1 is 3. What we get is 2 to the power 3. Now 2 times 3 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Therefore, the value of 64 to the power 1 by 2 is 8 or 2 to the power 3. Next question, 32 to the power 1 divided by 5. Now express 32 in the form of exponent. That is, the first step is factorize 32. That is, the number which can divide 32 is 2. 2 1s are 2, 6 are. Next 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Now 32 can be written as what? 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can write 32 to the power as 32 can be written as 2 power 5. I can write 32 as 2 power 5. Now I'll substitute 32 as what? 2 power 5. Now 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Again we have the power 1 divided by 5. Now which can be written as what? 2 power 5 into 1 divided by 5 according to second law of exponent. Now 5 and 5 will cancel out. What we get is 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. The value of 32 to the power 1 by 5 is 2. These are the few questions for your practice. That is, first question 125 to the power 1 divided by 3. Second question 64 to the power 1 divided by 6. Third question 256 power 1 by 8. Fourth question 81 to the power 1 divided by 3. Do practice these questions by yourself and find out the solution. Moving to next set of exercise question, that is, the first question is 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 divided by 2. Now express 3 in the form of exponent is 9. That is, we cannot divide 9 by 2. Now start with the next number, that is 3. 3 is 9. Therefore 9 equals what? 3 square. 9 equals 3 to the power 2. Now I can write 9 as what? 3 power 2. What is the power we have? 3 divided by 2. Now by using second of exponents, a power m whole power n can be written as a to the power m into n, that is 3 power 2 into 3 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. What we get is 3 power 3. What is 3 power 3? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. So 9 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 power 3 or 27. The next question, 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now express 125 in the form of exponents. 125. Now start with the number 2, but I cannot divide 125 by 2. The next number what I can divide is 5. 5 25s are 125. Next 5 5s are 25. Now 125 I can write as what? 5 to the power 1 2 3. 5 to the power 3. 125 is what? 5 to the power 3. Now I'll write 125 as 5 to the power 3. 5 power 3. Again I have the power minus 1 divided by 3. Now I can write it as 5 power 3 into minus 1 divided by 3. Now 3 and 3 will cancel. What I get is 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1, which can be written as what? 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by 5 to the power plus 1. When it is shifting towards the denominator, the sign will change. This is the rule what we have studied. So few practice questions based on the understanding of previous problems. The first question, 32 to the power 2 divided by 5. Second question, 16 to the power 3 divided by 4. Now the steps are convert 32 in the form of exponents, then use the second law of exponents, then simplify. Moving to next main, simplify. The first question is 2 to the power 2 divided by 3 into 2 to the power 1 divided by 5. If you observe, the bases are same. The bases are same. What we can do? We can add the powers. That is the first law of exponent, a power m. A power n can be written as a power m plus n. Therefore, what I can do? 2 to the power, add the powers. 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 5. 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 5. Now what I should do? I should simplify this. Now this is the addition of fractions. Take the LCM of 3 and 5, then simplify. The another easiest way is just use the butterfly method. That is 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 can be written as just, but use this butterfly method. 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, then 3 into 5 is 15. That is 13 divided by 15. Now 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 can be written as 13 divided by 15. Therefore 2 to the power 13 divided by 15 is the solution. Second question, 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 whole power 7. Therefore, individually I should use this power, that is 1 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 3 whole power 7. Now 1 to the power 7 is 1. Then by using second law of exponents, a to the power m whole power n can be written as a to the power m into n, that is 3 to the power 3 into 7, which is nothing but 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 sevens are 21. This is the solution. If you need, you can shift this number to the numerator. So I can write it as 3 to the power 21. Just you need to change the sign. If plus is there, it becomes minus. If minus, it becomes plus. Since here it is plus, after moving to the numerator, it becomes minus 21. Third question, 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. We should use the third law of exponent, that is a power n divided by a power n can be written as a power m minus 1. The same way I can write it as 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now by using the concept of butterfly method or by taking LCM, 4 ones are 4, 11 to the power 4, 2 ones are 2 divided by 2 fours are 8. Therefore 11 to the 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 8. I can simplify 2 times 1, 2 times 4. So the solution is 11 to the power 1 divided by 4. Moving to fourth question, 7 to the power 1 by 2, 8 to the power 1 by 2. If you observe, bases are different, powers are same. Therefore, we can use fourth law of exponent, that is a power m, b power m can be written as ab to the power m. Therefore, I can write it as 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. 7, 8 are 56 to the power 1 by 2. Now express 56 in the form of exponents, that is 56 to 2s are, to 8s are, then to 14s are, then to 7s are. So 56 can be written as 2 power 3 into 7. Therefore 56 can be written as 2 power 3 into 7 whole power 1 by 2. This is the solution. These are the few practice questions based on the understanding of previous problems. The first question, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. You can use first law of exponents, then you can simplify. Second question, 3 to the power 1 divided by 5 whole power 4. By using second law of exponents, we can simplify this. Then the third question, 7 to the power 1 by 5 whole divided by 7 to the power 1 by 3. By using third law of exponents, you can find the solution. Fourth question, 13 to the power 1 by 5 into 17 to the power 1 by 5. By using fourth law of exponents, you can find the solutions for this. Students, thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel for more videos and updates. Thank you again.